Mr. Lively here. Welcome back for another blazing fast tutorial. This one is about multimeters, digital multimeters, also called DIMMs or DMMs. So there's a couple things that we should start off by noticing about this one. The first one is that there are different spots for plugs on the bottom. There's this COM plug inside. It looks black. Put the black probe, this is called a probe, inside there. It never really needs to go anywhere else. The next thing, this is plugged into 10 amps. This is milliamps. This is for volts. This is for ohms or resistance. This is for hertz or frequency. Okay. Now we're going to start off measuring resistance, ohms. Over here we see amps of direct current, amps of alternating current. We can see frequency, temperature, volts alternating, volts direct, and ohms of resistance. So I've taken a resistor. I want to figure out its resistance. I've wrapped the two ends around here so that there's no other path that the electricity can take. If there's another path it can take, like through your body or whatever, like this, it will change the resistance. So it's on. It's on the amp setting, though. We need to change that. So we'll change it over here. It says 0.9, 0, 0, 0, 4.4 rather, 0.46, 0.463, and then this says 1. Anytime there's a 1 on the left, it means you are too low. Your maximum is 200 ohms. You're too low, so it reads 1. This is 0.464 k ohms, thousands. So if you multiply this by 1,000, once, twice, three times, you get 464 ohms. That is how much resistance this resistor has. All right, we'll pop that off. The next step is to have a place to put things. So I have a bunch of resistors. They've all measured 470. I've taken this piece of styrofoam. I wrote 470 there. I'll pop it in there so it's right where it is later. These say 32N on the end. So 32, 08N, 08, 04N, 04. These are my various LEDs. Keep it organized. You'll save yourself a lot of time and annoyance when you have to try to find things. Now let's measure the voltage of a battery. A battery operates on direct current. So we're going to check to make sure our plug's in the right spot. Volts, it is good. We're going to go over here to the volts, direct current. We'll start at 200. Let's see if it's 200 volts. Nope. It says 1.2. All right, go ahead again. 1.24. We'll go one more time. 1.244. And then we'll go one more time. Oh, it says 1 on the left. That's because we went too far. 1.24. That's how many volts of a difference there is between the positive side, the anode, and the negative side, the cathode. Great. Now, if we're going to measure the voltage across this LED, it says that there's almost no voltage difference. That's because it's not plugged in. So here we go. Let's plug it in, and then we'll know. We'll be able to figure it out. All right. So that's plugged in. Now if we measure the voltage difference, we're getting, oops, come on, buddy. All right. Not getting good contact here. Oh, I'm on the 2 setting. Didn't like that. It says 2.0. So it was jumping back and forth between 1 and 1.99, and that's why it wasn't working well on the 2 setting, because it's right around